on the device and try to use that as an input to the whatever is the barcode. So definitely you can test that particular feature which is consuming the barcode image, but not the other part of it, which is actually reading the barcode from the camera, saving it to the device, or maybe utilizing in the buffer the barcode, the image, and then giving it to the application. So those kind of scenarios cannot be completely automated, but definitely some part of it can be automated. So I would like to give you a demo of one of the automation tests. So this is a nano VNC. So just to give you a background of this, VNC, as we all know in the PC world, is a VNC server which resides on a particular PC, and from the VNC client you can actually access that the desktop of that and perform whatever you can do. On the similar lines, VNC server is implemented for the mobile device. So VNC server is residing on this device, and now we can automate the script and access the device and start the application and use the application, and then it can capture the image and compare with the expected images. So this is a very basic demo, but you can perform very deep level testing using this. Then I will.
No, through Bluetooth or?
No, it is through Wi-Fi. Right now it is through Wi-Fi. Connected to the Wi-Fi, we are actually trying to access this particular VNC server from desktop. And now, as soon as I connect this server, the home screen of the device will be appearing on this particular VNC logo. And we have written a script which will actually go and search an application in the application folder, opens up the application and performs certain operations.
Excuse me? So is it by AT commands or how it works?
Actually, it is all the complete VNC protocol has been implemented on this. Okay. So you can see the whatever command I am giving it. So now it is at the home screen. So there is a predefined script we have written on this. So I will just run this script. So it will go and open an application in the applications folder. This is just a learning ABC writing application, so may not be a very good example for automation, but this actually gives you a sense of how actually the VNC, nano VNC and the automation works here. So these are all commands which are fired from the script and executed on this device.
These are mouse macros written. These
No. These are some key events which are actually helping the application to draw that C. So there are some key events.
Events, but we are performing from the desktop. So it should be some mouse macros or something like that.
No, all the keys of this device are actually mapped in the VNC robot. So in the VNC protocol, we have implemented the all the key mapping. So we send that key mapping, and the VNC server on this actually performs those key operations.
So the VNC robot and the VNC server running on this Symbian phone is a product of VNC.
No, this Nano VNC is a product of MPTest. VNC robot is open source.
And you have written script in what? Python? What script is
No, it is a proprietary, very simple press F1, wait, very simple high level language. It is not a Python.
So there is another tool which does this, TestQuest.
Yeah.
So how do you differentiate yourself with this?
Right now, this particular application, like this particular server, is under the completeness of it, where the test quest is right now is measured in terms of like the test case management as well. We do not have the test case management at this point of time, but this particular VNC server can reside on all the different platforms, and platforms like BlackBerry, Windows Mobile, definitely not iPhone because it does not support the background application. So the basic requirement of this particular approach, or any approach on the test automation, is you have a daemon application residing on the device which consumes the script.
That's agent.
This is the agent. So which consumes the script, and then it runs.
So there is one more thing that in one of your slides you mentioned that calls which is not possible to test with automation. So can you bit elaborate why is it not possible? Like if I consider an example of making an end-to-end call from A to B, so is it not possible? Because I was trying to explore more why is it not possible.
No, like in this case, see, simple scenarios like making a call from the script, like from VNC type of script, you can definitely type in a number and then hit a call button, and then the call can be made. But you cannot actually, if you want to measure the quality of the call, you will not be able to measure the quality of the call. But definitely you can say that the call got established. But what happened after that? There are some certain things which are quality parameters which the software might not be able to perform or to validate. These are the things where the human intervention is required.
So call is possible, but the quality is not.
Quality. So there are certain applications which are heavily relying on the VoIP connections and VoIP interfacing, and then they are where the quality of the call is important. So not just establishing the connection. So those kind of attributes which are measurable by the human senses might not be able to establish from the automation. But definitely maybe after some time something can get involved. Yeah.
I would like to add more to that. That I have done a lot of testing on the call things, even the action, the call action. It's possible theoretically, practically it was a lot of problems. Because then you have two phones, two scripts running, they have to be in tandem. One is making call, one is receiving a call. This is possible theoretically. So even I have done some work and it's possible, but when you practically give it to your QA team to test it out, it becomes really nice.
No, but if you have a script, what is in TestQuest?
Yeah.
So what we use it as our in our company. You can do an end-to-end call. It's measurable.